Okay, you guys, so I have about 15 minutes before my training starts, and I'm really excited because one, I just found me a mentor, so I'm so excited. And then number two, I just requested a tour for a community in Sefner. It's new construction, hoping that they say yes for me to come by and give you guys a house tour personally. Okay, you guys, so come on, focus. I'm currently on a call. I'm just sharing a little bit about what I do. So call me a little crazy.
Let's say you need to have a price adjustment and you've had 10, 15 showings, you're not getting the price.
Yes, I have all the devices out and I'm in training. One of them started an hour before, or 30 minutes before the other one. So I pretty much got the most out of the video on my iPad. They're just answering questions. And then the one that I'm watching right now is live. I'm gonna pause it. I have gotten a lot of information already. And honestly, I'm just gonna keep on going because this is what's gonna help me grow my business. I am a huge advocate on always learning and getting as much knowledge as you possibly can. Okay, keeps the brain healthy and it just keeps you on your toes. So I'm constantly in a training. I'm always watching videos. Sit next to the person that knows more than you because they will help you. Okay, we need to sit down next to them and we need to hear what they need to say. That's just how I feel. I believe by it. And I fed my babies, I've changed their diapers, I have the volume on loud, and that's that. And then in 10 minutes, I have a mentor call because I'm in need of a mentor. And I just want to have the best of the best on my team that's local. And yeah, that's pretty much update for today. I try to be real strict when I'm working from home because I am my own boss. So gotta get the work done. The only thing I'm upset about, I did wake up late, so I didn't get to journal, pray, or really do my makeup, which I'm enjoying my little natural face here. But I will definitely do it after. Okay, I still have a lot of time in the day. You use a potty? Potty? We'll put on the potty.